Hello, my name is Giselle and welcome to Music Foundation Level 2. Today I will be discussing modes. So there are 7 modes I will be reviewing. Our first mode is called Ionian. Our second mode is Dorian. Our third mode is Frisian. Our fourth mode is Lydian. Our fifth mode is Mixolydian. Our sixth mode is Aeolian, and the last mode is Locrian. So with the first one, Ionian, is our C major scale. So C to D is a whole, D to E is a whole, E to F is a half, F to G whole, G to A whole, A to B whole, and B to C half step. The next mode I will be discussing Dorian. So starting on D, and all these modes that I'm starting with today are all white keys. So with D, D to E is a whole, E to F is a half, F to G is a whole, G to A is a whole, A to B is a whole, B to C is a half step, C to D is another whole step. The next mode is Frisian, starting with E. E to F is a half step, F to G is a whole step, G to A is a whole step, A to B is a whole step, B to C is a half step, C to D is a whole step, and D to E is another whole step. The next mode is Lydian. I'm going to start with F. F to G is a whole step, G to A is a whole step, A to B is another whole step, B to C is a half step, C to D is a whole step, D to E whole, and E to F is a half step. Starting with G, this is the Mixolydian Mode. G to A is a whole step, A to B is a whole step, B to C is a half step, C to D is a whole step, D to E is a whole step, E to F is a half step, and F to G is a whole step. The next mode is Aeolian, and you can think of the A minor natural scale that we learned in our other lesson. A to B is a whole step, B to C is a half step, C to D is a whole step, D to E is a whole step, E to F is a half step, F to G is a whole step, and G to A is a whole step. Our final mode is Locrian, starting with B. So B to C is a half step, C to D is a whole step, D to E is a whole step, E to F is a half step, F to G is a whole step, G to A is a whole step, and A to B is a whole step. Thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe and have a great day.